How to hide your Wi-Fi network's SSID.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about your Wi-Fi network's SSID. What is an SSID, you might ask? Well, it stands for Service Set Identifier. It's basically the name you see when you try to connect to a Wi-Fi network. But did you know you can actually hide this? Yes, it's possible, and today we're going to learn how to hide the SSID of your Wi-Fi network.
Why would you want to hide your SSID?
Hiding your SSID makes your network invisible to casual users. When someone tries to look for available Wi-Fi networks, yours simply won't show up. This can add an extra layer of security to your network, as it will deter less tech-savvy individuals from trying to access it. However, remember that this does not make your network invisible to more skilled hackers, and should not be your only line of defense.
How can you hide your SSID?
Now, let's get to the exciting part, how to hide your SSID. The process may vary slightly based on your router's manufacturer, but the general steps are as follows. 1. Access your router's settings. Open a web browser on a device that's connected to the network and enter the router's IP address. This is often something like 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1, but check your router's manual if you're unsure. 2. Log in. You'll be asked for a username and password. If you haven't changed these from the default settings, they're probably something like admin and password, or they may be printed on the router itself. If you're unsure, consult your router's manual. 3. Find the wireless settings. Look for a tab or section labeled Wireless or Wireless Settings. 4. Hide the SSID. There should be an option that says Hide SSID, Enable Hidden Wireless, or something similar. Enable this option. 5. Save and reboot. After you've made this change, make sure to save your settings and then reboot the router if necessary. And that's it. Your SSID should now be hidden. In conclusion, hiding your SSID can be a helpful step to enhance your network security. It can deter casual users from trying to connect to your network. However, remember that this is not a foolproof method and should be combined with other security measures, like using strong, unique passwords and enabling WPA3 encryption on your network. I hope you found this video helpful. Stay safe and happy networking.